Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Kad apatyam varam manye sad apatyat shushampadat nirvidyeta grihan martyo yad klesha nivaha grihaha. Then the king thought a bad son is better than a good son because a good son creates an attachment for home, whereas a bad son does not. A bad son creates a hellish home from which an intelligent man naturally becomes very easily detached. Hare Krishna. So we are out of 1 week of festivities. Okay, now let us meditate. I met a person once, he's a very respected person here. And I knew his son was a problem. So he was talking about his son, he said, I said, no, he's a good person, but he said, this is what spoiled my son. When he started doing drinking, when he started taking drugs, when he started doing all varieties of activities, people told me, your son is good, but sometimes he drinks. Your son is good, but sometimes he takes drugs. Sound is coming till then. So like that, you all kept telling. How's the audio? Audio is good?
Yes, Prabhupada.
Now is it better?
Yes, Prabhupada, it's better.
Okay, thank you. So, it's first thing we have to be, and he said that had you all told me in the right on the face that this is wrong, your son has got spoiled, take action on him. When the things became too far away, then only I took action. Everybody was just, pampering him, including me, and the boy got spoiled. There is another example given of a man, of a child, whose parents are not there. So the grandmother took care of him, and she gave him whatever he wanted. He wanted to drink, she gave him money. He was caught stealing in the school, she did not say anything to him. Went on, and finally he did a murder. And when he did a murder, they asked him that we are going to hang you. Do you have anything, last wish? I want to talk to my grandmother. So the grandmother was called, she came. They said, I want to talk to you closely. So she put her ear nearby and he bit that ear. So she said, why are you doing that? By anger. You never told me I'm doing wrong. So therefore, actually, the discrimination, what is good and bad, first thing has to be very clear. Today, most of the people will not recognize their son as Vena. Even though he is drinking, even though he is taking drugs, even though he has, relations outside marriage, they don't consider it bad. My son is up to date. So actually, the discrimination should be very clear, what is good and what is bad. We cannot compromise on that. So at least Anga is able to recognize the son is bad. In a modern civilization where only thing that happens is pampering, correct? Husband pampers a wife, the wife gets spoiled. The parents pamper the child gets spoiled. Isn't it? We are dealing in a situation and it becomes very difficult. We go to schools and colleges, we see pampered children sitting there. Very difficult to teach them anything because parents have not told anything which is wrong. They don't tell how to behave in the class, how to be silent in here. They don't do. But the children make fun of the teachers, they also laugh. So nothing is being, no backup from the parents' side. Similarly, the husbands are not properly training them, and then it is another difficulty to deal with them in the society. So overall, the situation is difficult. And the definition of good and bad is in the air. Why it is said pampering is that when a child does bad, he has to be told it is bad. At least one should recognize it is bad, not just somehow adjust to it. Bad means it's bad. So this is one part. And the second part is that Anga is able to recognize this is bad. He is able to recognize that unfortunately with all his effort, he is not able to train a child. He is able to recognize that. How many parents are able to recognize that fact? That I cannot train my son. How many husbands are able to recognize that I am unable to train my wife? This is a situation. Or how many ladies are able to recognize my husband is not good? They're not able to recognize because it's Kali Yuga means the age of insecurity. Everybody is insecure. And in insecurity, there is something called groupthink. Let us not rock the boat. It's a psychological statement where because of insecurity, the person just sticks to a particular ideology without actually patiently thinking, isn't it right? So the wise decisions don't come out because people just like to be in the group. But not that thing, The better way could have been like this. So now coming to the position of Anga, look at him. He does have a problem. He is able to recognize the problem. He is very frustrated because as parents want to train a child. He is frustrated because child is unable to be trained. And now he is seeing the positive part of it. So this is not easy. We say God is always good. Even in adversity like this, he is seeing something good. Now we are all very happy when something positive happens. But something negative happens, to see it is good, it is not going to be easy. This is not easy. It's easy to say, but very difficult to practice. And Anga being it's easy to say, like Anga I can make a statement. But Anga is actually feeling like that. We are only making a statement like that. But true, still should we or not make? Yes. It's for our purification. We repeat the words of the Shastra for the Bhagavatam. It's for our good. Shravanam and then Kirtanam. Okay? It's for our purification. We read Bhagavatam for our purification. That's good. Bhavaushadhi. It acts like a medicine. So now, even in an adverse position that Anga is there, he is thinking, what should I do? Why did God bring this situation to me? And he's seeing the positive side of it, that this situation is helping him to get detachment from this world. Because parents, their natural tendency, they get very attached to the child. So he's saying, no, that's okay. But here, in this situation, the positive thing is actually Krishna has arranged this situation for me to get detachment from this world. And therefore, deep in the heart, he is very peaceful. Now, this has to be the blessing of Krishna, which Anga has. Such an adverse condition is not disturbed. And rather, the amount of anxiety the situation is causing him, this is rather a disturbance for his spiritual life. Everybody should take a situation and an anxiety which he can handle. Now, if we take a situation and anxiety that we cannot even chant Hare Krishna, something is wrong. So similarly, Anga is finding the situation very toxic. He's thinking, what should I do in this situation? I cannot practice Krishna consciousness with such a toxic atmosphere. I can't do that. Rather, he's saying that maybe this situation gives me a sense of detachment. And in this situation, I have an advantage that I can get more attached to Krishna. We see in the life of Srila Prabhupada also something similarly manifested. We discussed this in the last few classes. That how there was a total adverse situation. All the relatives abandoned him. There was theft in various places in his business. He lost an agency. He was practically bankrupt and in a negative. So many people are asking you for money. And nobody was helping him. I could understand with all his efforts and all his requests, he wrote a letter, please save my honor, to his father-in-law. Situation was very difficult. And he could see no help from any side. And not only that, it's just because he has no money now, his family members also lost interest in him. He saw that. And he had a standing order of his guru to spread message of Gita all around the world, which he had kept postponing because of, the responsibility at home. But now nobody wants him. Nobody is interested in him. He's seeing. And he had an order of his guru to spread the Krishna conscious movement all around the world. He's finding a very unfavorable situation for that at home. And is seeking where I can get favorable situation in which I can actually please Krishna. Where do I get that situation? He's thinking. He's peaceful, happy. And Prabhupada came to Vrindavan. And with no regret, no remorse, he is sitting there peacefully writing, praying to the Lord. So for us, to make a transition like that, or to handle a situation that Anga handled or Srila Prabhupada handled, first thing is that our primary relationship is to Krishna. And when that is not fixed up, we get disturbed, then we can blame other people. The first thing is that we have to cultivate relationship to Guru and Krishna. We have to cultivate. And the heart has to be fixed there. Because Krishna and Guru will never disappoint. Their reciprocation to our devotional service is always genuine. Correct? Like Anga has full faith in Krishna. He understands that Krishna is in total control. For him, at that area, there is no doubt. That is, a blessing of Krishna. Prabhupada said, faith means it's, accepting something which is very sublime. Faith in Krishna is something very sublime. It is transcendental. True? Faith in the holy name, faith in Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, faith in Srila Prabhupada, these are not easily got. Salpa punya vatam rajan vishwas naiva jayate. And having got that, the first symptom of that is, what is said, that one person enters the house of bhakti, first symptom is klesha agni. The person becomes very calm and peaceful. Shubhada. The person develops amazing auspicious qualities. This happens even at a level of sadhana. That's why these 6 qualities are divided into sadhaka stage and then advanced stages. at a very beginning level of sadhana, when he began Krishna consciousness, we've experienced two things. Number one is Klesha Agni. He felt freedom from anxiety. That is why we grabbed Krishna consciousness. And next thing, that we started seeing that actually I'm becoming a good person, which I always wanted to be. I'm becoming a good person. Shubhada. You see, so many auspicious quality manifest in our system. Now this, at least this level has to be developed by sincere devotion services, beginning with the Shravanam, that actually person develop Kleshagni and Shubhada. So once these things are there, the person will be able to handle the situation much better. Shubhada, he will be acting like a divine person. Kleshagni, internally he is peaceful. Whatever level of anxiety of this world, our internal peace should not be lost. Externally we behave vyavaharika level. Okay, do this, don't do this, don't do this. But internally a devotee should be very, very peaceful. Because we have come to practice Krishna consciousness. Correct? So we should be internally very, very peaceful, happy and satisfied. And then in that platform we execute. So Anga, externally he is disturbed because of unable to train the child. But he taking that disturbance as an impetus for his complete surrender to Krishna. Just like Srila Prabhupada also. Externally there was a disturbance. He was writing letters, he was asking his friends, can somebody help him come out of the situation? But internally he was at peace. Krishna looks to be your signal. Harishevan dhanam shanai. Yasyaham anugrahanami. It says, the famous shloka in Bhagavatam, that if I am specially merciful to somebody, I take away everything that he has. So he saw everything in that light. Not in the light that we see, he saw in that light. Shubhada, so he maintained his good qualities, he maintained peace of mind, and he took a decision. Now, let me focus on my own Krishna consciousness. And that is what happened. But he was giving such a contribution to the whole country as a king that everybody missed him. Oh, where the noble king is gone. Okay, Hare Krishna. Today we began late. We are just recovering from 1 week of festivities. Anybody wants to add something? 10 days of festivities, yes. We cannot even lie down. Already public has started coming. So I do not know. You also have big responsibilities. But if you can spare some time, say 1 week, 10 days, come over here. It will be a little more peaceful. Yes, Prema Priya Mataji, you are coming?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. I had come, Prabhuji, for the inaugural. I had come. I want to come every year, Prabhuji. Every year. I want to
Very, yeah, what is the question?
do some seva there. I want to do some seva, Prabhuji, there.
Welcome, welcome.
My addition to this point was, for that matter, all adversities in life, Prabhuji, whatever adversities, they draw us closer to God. They help us to detach from our material life.
Yeah. See, Krishna knows best. Krishna knows best. Hey, somebody is at the door. Tell them we can take darshan, just 2 minutes. So Krishna knows best. Give him a room. Not only for ourselves. It is said in the Bhagavad Gita, when Arjuna was in dilemma, what does Krishna say? Ashochana anuvashochastvam pragyavadam sabhashis. Arjuna, you are talking like a learned man, but you are lamenting for what is not worthy of lamentation. Gata suna agata suna cha nanu shochanti panditaha. A learned person doesn't lament for any situation. For gata and agata, those who are gone or about to go, doesn't lament. So this is not easy, it's extraordinary. It is extraordinary, isn't it?
It's difficult, Prabhuji, it's difficult, but draws us closer to Lord, Prabhuji.
Yes. So Krishna knows his best. So anybody in any situation in the world you see, you know that Krishna is in control. So therefore there is no need to be lament. At least internally the heart we should be peaceful. But suppose some accident has happened, we should do our part. We have a duty. We see we can take him to the hospital, give him some help. That is our part. But internally, we are peaceful. We are not disturbed. You got
Yes,
it?
Prabhuji. Yes,
We,
Prabhuji.
internally, we know Krishna is in control and we are very, very peaceful. Okay?
Yes, I experience it, Prabhuji. I experience it.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna, Prabhuji.
So, Hare Krishna, how is the audio? Same? Everybody's fine?
Very good, Prabhuji. Very good.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji, yes, Prabhuji. Very nice. Enjoyed the festivals with Krishna at Mangalore.
Yeah, we have put a very big camera which can able to give live. Just some wire, some setting has to be done. Then you will be able to independent. See now what happens? We bring a camera, laptop, we make it live for you. Okay, na? But actually we have a system that whole day the temple independently another channel will live. You know, if this works or not, the daytime you want to take darshan. Evenings are very crowded. 2,000 people are coming every day in the evening. So very crowded. So even you can join the evening aarti. We are doing a big 3-hour sankirtan every day in the evening. In fact, Srila Prabhupada used to say that if you do 3 hours sankirtan in the evening in the temple every day, everything will be auspicious. We are trying. We do it because everybody loves it. They sit till the end.
What time it starts, Prabhuji? What time it starts in the
No,
evening?
but we have to do live. We have to make it live.
What time? From what time to what time? In the evening?
Generally 6 to 9. But we are not making it live now. We will see that it is made live through our one more camera. So we don't have to run around all the time. Okay? Srila Prabhupada ki.
Prabhuji, Hare Krishna Prabhuji. One question,
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna Prabhuji.
When you're doing Dandavat, no, Prabhuji, why isn't it done straightforward? Why is it in the opposite side, Prabhuji? What's the reason?
So many reasons. See what happens now in ISKCON, just like in our temple, Prabhupada deity is opposite to the altar. So if you are going to put your head towards the deity, then leg will be towards the Acharya. Correct?
Okay. But
Reason.
here,
Reason number
Prabhuji,
one.
yeah, sorry. Yeah, here, Prabhuji, in ISKCON, Obli, no, Prabhuji, the deity is in the front. Prabhupada is in the very end. Even then,
Now
दंडवत
then,
deity को नहीं होता है ऐसे other side.
okay, reason number one. Reason number two, what happens is that anyway we are paying obeisances, correct? That is done. In different Vaishnava Sampradaya, different systems are there. For us, to the Guru, you do with the head down the way you're telling. Okay? To Krishna, with the left side. And to the Devatas from the right side.
Yeah, it's
There
too
is.
straight always correct. Yeah.
And another thing you just think about, again logic, I'm just thinking about common sense logic. Now suppose in the temple it is there, 100 devotees come to pay obeisance. And if they are doing like that, in my temple 100 can pay obeisance, correct? And always length is more than the width. If they are paying like that, there are only 20 people.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe some more reasons.
Women are
We
not
just
supposed
see,
to be
these things we
Vaishnava,
just followed. I never, okay, this is a small thing. Anyway, we are paying obeisances. It happens when you go to Udupi temple also. When you pay obeisance like that, hey, get up, get up. This is not the pay obeisance. They don't like it. You pay like that. It's okay.
Thank you. For
Doesn't
bringing
matter.
it to note. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
There are more reasons. They say Krishna, left side, heart. They give heart. So many things.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna
Thank you,
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji.
Are female devotees allowed to pay to do Dandavat?
Whereas the female, see, as per a culture and tradition in India, the females do only half, correct?
Yeah,
है ना?
yeah, that's what we do.
That in ISKCON, that's what is recommended internationally. Females
Yeah,
do
yeah,
half.
yeah. Yeah,
But
Prabhuji, that's what we do.
sometimes in excitement, I see they also pay full.
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes,
Yeah,
generally
yeah,
half.
yeah, it's the bhav that counts.
Yes.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Okay.
Krishna Prabhuji. Pranam Prabhuji, the temple looks very beautiful with the decoration of flower and the matching tablecloth with the curtains. Looks so pretty. So pretty.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank
Thank you
you,
so much,
Prabhuji. Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna. Danva Pranam.
Thank you,
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Thank you.
Thank you
Hare
so much,
Krishna, Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji,
ठीक
Dandavat
है, Hare
Pranam.
Krishna everybody.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Thank you,
Hare
Krishna
telling.
Krishna
Prabhuji.
Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna, Krishna Prabhuji.
So
Pranam
now,
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji.
very soon I'll put up a system that whole day you have one channel where camera is on. Anytime you can take darshan. You can see what's happening. I will just set it up. That's called live.
Yes.
We will just set up full day live. Okay?
Hare
Prabhuji,
Bol.
it will be on Zoom
Hare
or it will
Krishna
be on
Prabhuji.
YouTube?
Huh?
Will it be on YouTube or Zoom?
Just let me work it out. Let me work it out.
Okay, okay.
Take care.
Thank you,
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji. Thank you. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Thank
Krishna
you,
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji.
Hare
Thank you,
Krishna, Hare
Prabhuji.
Krishna.
Panchanga Pranam, Prabhuji.